let's face it, bourbon goes with so many great things. Chicken or pork, yeah, why the heck not? This is a bourbon marinade that we're going to put on some chicken here, and I've never cooked before on the show, and even though I don't look like Martha Stewart, enough of this stuff here, and maybe I could at least look like Guy Fieri. Who knows? Let's eat. So like I said, this is a simple marinade. This is going to be a 12-hour marinade process though, so make sure if you do plan on making this, you get it ready the night before, like I'm doing now. Now, like I said, it could be chicken or pork, but it's really, really simple. We're just going to take a bowl to mix our marinade up in, and it's a pretty simplistic recipe. We're going to start off with a 3/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce. The recipe I'm using here says you have to use the low sodium. Probably be way too salty if not. Follow it up with a 1/2 cup of bourbon, and hey, don't be afraid to pour yourself a little bit also. After all, this is Hey Let's Drink. Next up is a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, Worcestershire. We're going to follow it up with a 1/4 cup of water. Next, it's time for a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm using fresh. If you want to use the jarred stuff, I'm not going to judge you. We're going to put in 3 tablespoons worth of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fresh minced ginger root, or you can take my route here and use a 1/2 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Now it's important to stir this really nicely. You know, the oil is going to be a little harder to incorporate. And after all that hard work, don't forget to hydrate. At this point, you're going to take 8 pieces of chicken breast or pork chops, depending on your selection, and we're going to put them into a large freezer bag along with the marinade that we just made. Make sure everything gets a nice even coat, and pop that baby in the fridge for 12 hours. So once you pull them out the next day, this is what they should look like. I threw mine on the grill to a high heat, about 450, a total of 25 minutes, flipping halfway in between, and through the magic of editing, that is how it's done. I can say for certain the family had this for dinner and they were amazing. So if you want to see more food recipes with booze, let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching this one.